bad news, but Zanele Mbokazi, very well-known entrepreneur, businesswoman, inspirational speaker. She's also founded awards shows.
Yeah, the Crown Gospel Awards.
Crown Gospel Awards.
Yeah.
We've just heard very sad news, and it's been confirmed by SABC News that she has passed.
That is really, really sad indeed. Very, very sad that Zanele Mbokazi has actually passed on, because I know that she was ill, and they said that despite her not feeling well, the Crown Gospel Awards, they're optimistic that they were actually going to go on this year. I know that the nominations list was actually opened up until the 30th of this month, and they were supposed to be taking place out in November this year. I wonder if they now will actually go on. But it is so, so sad, and condolences to her family, to her friends, and also to her followers as well.
Definitely condolences to Zanele Mbokazi's colleagues, people that she used to work with in her businesses, in all the different ventures and companies that she was involved in, her husband, her children, her family. I've had an experience of working with her during my days working at uKhozi FM. We did a lot of inspirational talks together. She'd also invite me on some of her own initiatives to come and do some empowering work with the youth. She was very active in the KZN, especially when it comes to abantu abasha, young people.
Yes.
She was an inspirational figure. She was a motivational speaker. She was an MC. She was an astute businesswoman. And yes, she did found the Crown Gospel Awards. And she also founded another awards show. And I know that I won an award there. I forgot the name of those awards, what they were called. But I think I won for our foundation, which was doing a lot of work in the KZN as well. So, Zanele Mbokazi, Lala Ngoxolo, may your soul rest in peace. Thank you so much for all of your contributions towards young people in the country, all of the work that you did in your province and KZN, and Lungahlanga to your family. We will dearly miss you. Kodwa siyabonga. Uyidlalile indima yakho, umsebenzi wakho bomuhle kakhulu. Lala Ngoxolo siswami.